Personal Development and Well-Being Crash Course, Healthy Lifestyle Habits. Introduction. Living a healthy lifestyle is essential for our overall well-being. It encompasses various aspects of our lives, including physical, mental, and emotional health. By adopting healthy lifestyle habits, we can enhance our quality of life, increase our energy levels, and improve our resilience. In this crash course on healthy lifestyle habits, we will explore the importance of prioritizing our health and provide you with practical techniques to incorporate into your daily routine. Let's embark on this journey towards a healthier and happier life. Chapter 1: The Power of Healthy Living. Story: Meet Sarah, a working professional who used to lead a sedentary lifestyle and consume unhealthy food. She often felt tired, stressed, and lacked motivation. One day, Sarah decided to make a change and embraced healthy living. She incorporated exercise into her daily routine, started eating nutritious meals, and practiced mindfulness. Over time, she experienced a significant improvement in her energy levels, mental clarity, and overall well-being. Chapter 2: Top 12 Healthy Lifestyle Habits and Techniques. Regular exercise. Engage in physical activities that you enjoy, such as jogging, swimming, or dancing. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Balanced nutrition. Focus on consuming a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods, sugary snacks, and excessive salt intake. Hydration. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Quality sleep. Establish a consistent sleep schedule and prioritize getting 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine to promote better sleep quality. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, yoga, or journaling. Find activities that help you unwind and relax. Mindfulness. Cultivate mindfulness by being fully present in the moment. Engage in activities like meditation, mindful eating, or nature walks to enhance self-awareness and reduce stress. Social connections. Nurture meaningful relationships and maintain a supportive social network. Spend time with loved ones, join clubs or community groups, and engage in social activities. Mental stimulation. Keep your mind active by reading, solving puzzles, learning a new skill, or engaging in intellectually stimulating activities. Continuous learning promotes cognitive health. Time management. Efficiently manage your time by prioritizing tasks, setting realistic goals, and practicing effective time management techniques. Use tools like calendars and to-do lists to stay organized. Positive self-talk. Practice positive self-talk and cultivate self-compassion. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations to boost self-esteem and promote a healthy mindset. Work-life balance. Strive for a healthy balance between work, personal life, and leisure activities. Prioritize self-care and allocate time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Regular health checkups. Schedule regular health checkups and screenings to monitor your physical health. Address any health concerns promptly and follow medical recommendations. Chapter 3: Summary. In this crash course, we explored the importance of adopting healthy lifestyle habits for personal development and well-being. We discussed the power of healthy living through the story of Sarah and how she transformed her life by prioritizing her health. We then delved into the top 12 healthy lifestyle habits and techniques, including regular exercise, balanced nutrition, quality sleep, stress management, mindfulness, social connections, and more. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can experience improved physical health, enhanced mental well-being, and greater overall happiness. Conclusion. Remember, personal development and well-being are lifelong journeys. It's important to approach healthy lifestyle habits with patience, consistency, and a growth mindset. As you continue to implement these habits, you'll notice positive changes in various areas of your life. In summary, here are the key takeaways from our crash course on healthy lifestyle habits. Prioritize your health. Make your well-being a top priority and understand that taking care of yourself is essential for personal and professional success. Start small. Begin by incorporating 1 or 2 healthy habits into your routine and gradually build upon them. Small, consistent steps lead to significant long-term results. Find what works for you, experiment with different activities and techniques to discover what resonates with you. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, so tailor your approach to suit your preferences and needs. Seek support. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or like-minded individuals who can motivate and encourage you on your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and acknowledge that progress takes time. Embrace setbacks as learning opportunities and celebrate your achievements along the way. Now, let's conclude our crash course with a poem and a song to inspire and uplift you on your path to a healthier and happier life. Poem. In the pursuit of well-being, we embark. A journey of self-discovery, shining bright like a spark. With healthy lifestyle habits, we nurture our soul, transforming our lives, making us whole. Exercise, nutrition, and sleep we embrace, nurturing our bodies, finding inner grace. Mindfulness and resilience, in harmony they dance, balancing our minds, giving life a chance. Stress bows down as we breathe in calm, embracing self-care like a soothing balm. Connections we forge, in the bonds of love, supporting each other, rising above. Time management guides our days, efficiency and productivity, in all our ways. With positive self-talk, we elevate our minds, unlocking our potential, leaving doubts behind. As we navigate the seas of life's grand tide, personal development, our compass and guide. Embracing the journey, with courage we roam, building a brighter future, finding our true home. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?i as a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.